Hi, this is Rachelle. Welcome back. We're going to make another bag, or a masculine version of, this is the masculine version of it, and try to make more masculine. If you know you want to give a gift, you can make the handles the way you want. Anyhow, I did 2 others on my channel already, and these were the handbags. They're all made pretty much the same, and you don't have to waste a full 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. So let's go ahead and get started. On the 11-inch side, so all the measurements will be on my blog. So on the 11-inch side, you want to score this at 4 and 7. That's all the score lines. The other piece measures 4 1/4 by 3 1/2. So on the 3 1/2 side, you're going to score at 1/4 inch and 3 1/4. You want to turn this on the landscape side on the 4 1/4, 90 degrees, and you want to score that at 1/4 inch. You're going to do that with both sides, with both, and then you are going to fold and burnish on all lines. See here that it's all done. Just do that quickly, and you will remove the 4 little square here. I would recommend to actually slant in here a bit, so you don't have any problems closing the bag, just like so. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that really quickly. And now these tabs here will go here, and you will glue these together, and it's going to form a box. If you've seen my other video, it does resemble a lot. It's the same thing, just making it very simple for you guys, and to not waste cardstock as well, and you can use your scraps. So we're gonna glue these, and it makes this square shape, see? And you can leave it like that, or pinch in like this, and you get a shape that goes like that. You make it more like a masculine gift bag, or you can go ahead and create something like that. Or I did the pig logo, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue these together, and we have this. Okay, I just went ahead and did another one, and it's the same thing. I just pinched like so, and I cut a shape, a half circle shape, and here I can either put circular handles. I do have a bag, but I can do it on this one. So this can be made as a clutch bag, more feminine. And this one, if you want to keep it square like this, you can, to make it more masculine, and add maybe like a type of suitcase handle. You can punch. You can pinch the sides in if you want as well. I'm not sure what I want to do yet, but I know that I want to create little decorations. I'm just going to pull this one out because you'll see it better, as I have already cut out a circle that is 2 inches. And what you want to do is you want to fold your circle in half, and then circle it in half again, and you want to remove 1/4 of that, and you can go ahead and put that on your bag like so, and you do that on all 4 corners, so it adds a little bit more. You can put stitching, like fall stitching with a pen, or just leave it as is, or emboss it if you have an embossing folders and you want to add more dimension to it. It's up to you. It's just an idea. I would like to take the time just to say hi to the lady that's said hi to me on Facebook, not Facebook, sorry, on YouTube. She's from India, so I wanted to say hi. I watched the news in India, and there's a lady. It's on Gravitas. There's a lady that like, I think she is the best news anchor ever. I just absolutely love her. I wrote on YouTube, I'm like, oh my goodness, she does not sugarcoat. She says it as it is. And I just wanted to point that out, that very, very, very good, you know, and she's my favorite. And I want to say hi to everybody that is watching from the United States, United Kingdom, Bangladesh. I've had other people that has not subscribed yet to my channel, but they're curious and they're looking. I have Mexico, India, what other country? Of Canada, of course, because I do live in Canada. So I want to say hello to the whole world out there. And if you guys have any, if you want to give me a shout, go ahead. You can contact me on my blog, because I'm going to give you all the measurements of this on my blog as well. So my blog is Rachelle's Creative Style at blogspot.com. You can also reach me on Facebook at Rachelle's Creative Style, or you can reach me on Pinterest as well. I'm going to put the links down below. And you can also reach me on YouTube. There's a discussion area that you can send me a message, or you can just maybe send me a message through in the comments, because I always read them. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm not sure how to decorate these yet, but it doesn't really matter. You know how to make this shape or this shape, and sky's the limit, guys. Don't limit yourself. If you don't have fancy tools, you do not need fancy tools. A ruler, and if you don't have a scoring thingy like this, I'm just going to use a piece of a ruler, and then you just take a pen and just mark where you want to mark on each end, and then just line that up, remove the thing, and just, if you want to score it, just score it with the pen, and it's going to create the line without the ballpoint sticking out, of course. And you can use anything, and you don't need these fancy tools if you don't have them. If you want me to show you an alternative on how to create certain things that I do use special tools with, no problem with that. I can absolutely do a video just to show that you don't need fancy tools to create and be crafty in a way, like to be able to create things. I'll just be a few minutes because I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do with these bags. I have no clue yet. As you can see, I've added a star on the male one, and I just went simple, and I didn't have enough of the green left. So I went with a white handle, and I just topped it up with the green. And there you have a gift bag. And this one here, well, I didn't have the all green, so I just went with the circle, and then I added that, and it makes the handle, see? And here you can put a nice, beautiful flower that would finish the bag pretty nicely. Also, I was looking at that, and you can either leave it as so, or before gluing it, or afterwards, you can just cut this out, so it makes it all circular. But that is the bag, and hope you enjoyed it. It's different ways to do the same thing, just a different, more like of a clutch purse, and this one as well. Is there anything else I'm forgetting? Probably. But I like the clean version. Like, it's nice, but there's missing stuff. If I do add glitter or more embellishments to this, I will definitely post pictures of it, and if I decide to cut that out as well, so it's a nice circle, I will take pictures, and all the measurements will be on my blog. Okay, thank you for watching.